Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix performance issues in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the first thing I want you to do, I'll show you actually two ways. So the first one, you come here, click on File once you open up QuickBooks Enterprise, and then you just click here on this option right here. As you can see, it says Update QuickBooks Desktop. Go ahead and click on this, click on Update now, and then just check your recent update. Click on Get Updates, restart QuickBooks, install the updates when you're prompted, okay? The other one is to optimize your company file. So if you have large files over 1 gigabyte, that can slow down QuickBooks. So you come to the left-hand panel here at the top left. Okay, on the left-hand panel, you go over here, click on Utilities, and then you click on Condense Data, okay? Click on that, and then you can go ahead and create a QuickBooks desktop password if you haven't done that already. And then choose remove transactions before a date. You can do older than 3 years, for example. Follow the on-screen instructions and always back up your company file before you condense and clean up your lists. You merge your duplicate customers, your vendors, remove any unused accounts, items, classes, and you can delete all memorized reports and templates as well. That will really speed things up. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.